Welcome to Vizio Makeup Academy, the future in makeup education. Vizio is renowned for its excellence in educating professionals seeking careers in fashion, film, television, and more.
Hey there, I just started Vizio Makeup Academy and I just learned how to put my pro kit together and I am so excited. I cannot wait to learn more.
Within our highly advanced multi-touch technology platform, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, select your course and then enroll. Within 24 hours, you'll receive a unique user identification and password to begin your course. It's as easy as that.
You guys have mastered online education. I just graduated and all I can say is what an amazing course.
Receive immediate feedback and have access to our celebrity makeup artist instructors. We've gathered their secrets and various makeup techniques from their diverse experience in the makeup industry. You will have numerous tests and assignments, and you can successfully complete our makeup assignment looks, all at your own convenience.
Amazing brushes for professional makeup artists and beginners, so I would totally recommend them.
Our courses are interactive too. By submitting your makeup assignment photos through our multi-touch platform, our celebrity makeup artist instructors will grade your work and give you the feedback needed to excel in your career. Once you've completed your entire course outline successfully, you'll graduate, earning your certificate.
Learn how to use the color wheel, face charts, and how to properly highlight, contour, and blend, as well as how to choose the correct foundation tones and more.
You'll learn every makeup look from natural to smoky eyes, runway to editorial, Hollywood celebrity and special effects era looks, such as Cleopatra and the 20s vintage, men's makeup, and much more. Which course suits you best? We have several pro makeup courses available to choose from. What are you waiting for? Enroll today.